Hello, as we discussed in Back to School Night, today, Monday, October 1st, October 5th, will be the first time your child will be assigned a homework packet. Every Wednesday, your child has had homework in Google Classroom. Starting Monday, today, we will have a homework packet that will be due on Fridays. Every day, you just save the work, and on Friday, you will turn it in. I'm going to access Google Classroom through the app. You are already familiar how to access Google Classroom through Safari or through the app. Once I open Google Classroom, I'm going to navigate towards classwork. You will now see a new topic that says homework. Once I log in, I will find classwork for me. Your menus might be slightly different because you are on the student platform. However, you will see the new topic, homework, and the first assignment here, October 5th through the 9th. I'm going to click on that. When you open your assignment, you will see that little yellow square that is the option. We have two ways of editing the homework. Most of you are familiar with the editing tool, and we have already discussed how to complete the homework packet using the editing tool. Today I'm going to describe how to do it with Google Slides. For me, the option is this tiny square with an arrow pointing to the corner. For you, it might be slightly different, but this is what the Google app looks like. Once I open my document, it opens in Google Slides. This allows me to directly edit the document. By tapping on the text boxes 2 times, I can type inside that text box. Inside the text box, or inside a table. Directions to follow have been added at the margin. Opening my homework in Google Slides allows me to directly edit. Once I am done editing, I simply close the document. Google Slides automatically saves it for you. You keep editing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. On Friday, you will turn it in. Since I am done with the portion of Monday, I simply close the document and it will automatically be saved. You will note that there is no change. There is still that slide. Google will automatically save it for you, unless you are using the editing tool. If you are using the editing tool, you have to manually save. If you are not using the editing tool and choose to edit in Slides, it will automatically save for you. And on Friday, when all your work is completed, you will simply use the Turn It In option as you have been doing since we started assigning work in Google Classroom. If you have any questions, you can please give me a call. My office hours are every day from 1:30 to 2 p.m. and on Wednesdays from 10 to 12 o'clock. Thank you, and please let me know if I can help you in any other way.